Hello everyone, welcome to Launch to Profit Step-by-Step 90-Day Case Study. My name is Kweku and I welcome you to today's class. Today is day 11 of 90 in this affiliate marketing tutorial for beginners challenge, and today we are setting up tracking. Alright, so we have finished posting our first blog post, and right now what is left for us to do is to add our website onto Google. All right, officially Google don't know our website yet, so we need to give our website or register our website to Google so that Google will start visiting Google will start visit our website, and then it will start recommending our website to people as we try to rank our website. Okay, and there are two ways of doing this. Okay, so first of all, what we're going to do today is to install the Google Analytics and then also register our website to Google Search Console, and then we will also add our website to Bing Webmaster Tools. That is the one for Microsoft. Okay, Bing search engine. All right, so this is what you're going to do quickly today. So first of all, what we have to do is we will do a search for Google Analytics. Okay, so what we have to do is go to the description below and then click on the link Google Analytics. It will take you to this page. Now when you come to this page, this is where Google will be asking you to verify your if it is you. You have to verify if it is you. So we first of all go to the next, and then okay, so after you have entered your email, you will come to this page, and that is Google will be asking you to start measuring. Okay, so all you have to do is just click start measuring, and then it will give you the process of adding your website onto the Google Analytics, and this is the process. Okay, so what you're going to do here is you come here and then you enter the name of the website. Okay, in that case we have, all right, so what we have to do is we enter the name of the website, and that is remote desktop control. Go through this, then you go to next. So the name of the property, which is still the name that we just entered, so we go ahead and do again. After you have entered your name and then you have also selected the currency, you go to next, and then it will be asking you how many employees working with this. Just say small, then you go to next. Okay, so it's asking us to enter the category of the website, so you go through, and then okay, I don't have exactly my niche within this, so I will select okay, so let's select the other, then we go to next, and then you just do some text, which is general leads, analyze. It's asking us to choose the business objective. That is exactly what we are using this analytics for. So general leads, okay, online sales. We are not going to sell anything. It's not an e-commerce website, so we will not choose this. Brand awareness, yes. Examine user, yes. And then get base report, exactly. Okay, so we just go, and then you go to create. So you go to create. It's asking us to accept, and that's it. Okay, so we can actually skip this for now. We are only interested in the web, so we are now going to enter the URL here. So we copy the site URL, and then we put it there. So that's it. And then the stream name is, maybe we can just say my desktop or my website, or we can just say remote desk. Right, then we are measuring page scrolls, number of clicks, all these. Okay, so now you just have to click on create and continue. All right, so when you click on this, it will take you to the analytics page. Okay, all right, so you enter the name of the property, that is remote, then it's already, so describe just like we did before. So we choose our website, and then we enter the URL here. All right, so let me just clean this. Then we say remote okay, so go. All right, so we go click and continue, and it will add to the account. Okay, so let me see if I can. Okay, so we just added, so there is no data to be shown here. So what we have to do is just click home. Okay, no data received from your website yet. Okay, so okay, so what you're going to do now is we have to go to the website, and then we do a plugin. We are going to install a plugin into our website, which Google is going to use to communicate, or we need to add this plugin for us to be able to add a tag. So you'll search for Google site kit by Google, you install, and then you activate. Right, okay, so with this it will tell us to do start our setup. So we just go to next, and then connect Google Analytics. So we do that, and then you go to next, sign in with Google. Right, so we use a name, go to continue. All right, so it is now asking us to verify. Okay, so we do the verification, turn on metrics, allow, setup. So now it is now doing the setup console setup for us automatically. So you just go click next, and that's it. So it doesn't actually need, so we just set up a new one. This is it. So click create account, asking us to sign in again, and that's it. So it's as simple as that. It's not something so difficult. We have done that, and so we are good. So we accept the conditions, and then we go to dashboard. So now let's see, if we refresh, it will take all this. Okay, so another site, and then you do import, continue. So we are importing it to Bing Webmaster as well. So we are going to add the, okay, so that one has been taken already. I've got a couple of, so with this Bing, you actually don't have so much to do. The best is to do the Google Search Console, and then you import all those settings to Bing. So that's how you can do that. And now our search console is installed